So I've just had this baby delivered. I'm not sure how many of you have seen these before, but it's a gizmo for peeling apples. I think you can even do potatoes and stuff on it. It's pretty cool. I saw it on a video that somebody was using to make some dried apples or something like that. But I think it was £10 off Amazon. So it's got like a suction pad at the bottom so you can stick it to the top. It's got a little handle there that you can wind in and out. If you see here, look, as I'm winding it, that spike comes out. Okay, and what you've also got just here, that's like a blade there, which sort of moves up and down. Then you've also got like another blade here, that circular one. So what it does is it peels and cores your apples. So if you stick that down there, if you pull this lever back, it sucks it to the top, and it's dead sturdy. And then kind of wind this back. You do get a bit more wastage out of this, but if you've got like loads of apples and you want to kind of use them quickly for whatever reason, so you just eye the apple up onto the spikes, turn the handle, and if you watch here, this will peel it. It'll come up. You just keep going, keep going, keep going. I love this. And you have to keep going right through the end. And then you can just pull the apple off. Snap that off. Snap the skin off. So you've got like whole apple cored and peeled. It comes in like a makes it into like a accordion thing. So you can either make apple rings with these, or I'm going to dehydrate some with some sort of cinnamon and sugar on as a kind of little snack. So you do get a bit, it cuts it a bit thicker I suppose than what you would with a peeler, but how quick was that? Amazon, £10. Aaron's top tip for the day.